You ever looked at your Tesla, sleek, shiny, a marvel of engineering, and thought, man, I wish charging this baby was as free as the open road? Yeah, me too. But is it actually possible to charge your Tesla for free? Let's dive deep into the world of electric vehicle charging and uncover some potential gold mines. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let's be clear, there's no magic button to press that instantly fills up your Tesla without costing a dime. If there was, I'd be on a private island right now, sipping coconuts. But that doesn't mean there aren't clever strategies, loopholes, or untapped opportunities out there. First off, let's talk about solar power. It's the obvious starting point. If you're a homeowner with a suitable roof and the financial means, installing solar panels can be a game changer. Generate your own electricity, store it in a battery, and voila, you're charging your Tesla with sunshine. But it's not as simple as sticking some panels on your roof and forgetting about it. Factors like location, panel efficiency, battery capacity, and your car's energy consumption all play a crucial role. We'll break down the math and help you figure out if solar is actually a viable option for you. Next, let's explore the world of charging stations. There are free chargers out there, believe it or not. Some businesses offer free charging as a perk to attract customers. Grocery stores, shopping malls, and even certain restaurants might have charging stations you can use while you're busy with other things. But don't expect to find a free charging oasis around every corner. Competition for these spots can be fierce, and there might be restrictions on charging times or how much energy you can consume. We'll also delve into the realm of charging networks and memberships. Some networks offer incentives, rewards, or even free charging for a limited period. It pays to do your research and compare plans to see if any of these options align with your charging habits and budget. Another angle to consider is energy efficiency. While it might not directly save you money on charging, optimizing your car's energy consumption can indirectly lead to cost savings. We'll discuss tips and tricks to maximize your Tesla's range, reduce energy consumption, and ultimately spend less on charging. And let's not forget about government incentives and rebates. Depending on where you live, there might be financial benefits for owning an electric vehicle, including rebates on the purchase price, tax credits, or even free charging stations. We'll explore the different programs available and help you navigate the paperwork. Now, I want to be upfront, free charging is often temporary, conditional, or requires significant upfront investment. There's no guaranteed path to charging your Tesla for absolutely nothing, forever. But with careful planning, strategic thinking, and a bit of luck, you might be able to significantly reduce your charging costs. Remember, the key is to find a combination of strategies that works best for your lifestyle, budget, and location. It might involve a mix of solar power, smart charging habits, and taking advantage of free charging opportunities when they arise. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy charging.